Form a polynomial whose zeros are alpha square and beta square, where alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial p of x equals x square minus 3 root 2x plus 4. So what I'll do, first I'll find the zeros of this polynomial, which are like alpha and beta. Then I'll square them. Then I'll get the value of alpha square and beta square. Those are the new zeros. I'll find the polynomial. Now, here, first I'll find the zeros of the polynomial. So the polynomial is here x square minus 3 root 2x plus 4 equals 0. So here the coefficient of x square is 1. 1 into 4 is 4. So 4 factors 1 into 4, 2 into 2. See, as I need root 2 here, so I'll take this pair. So 2 into 2, I'll write as 2, I'll write as root 2 into root 2, and the other one I'll write as 2 into 1. I need 3 root 2, so 2 root 2, 1 root 2. These are the factors. So here x square minus 2 root 2 x minus 1 root 2 x plus 4 equals 0. So now here we'll be getting like 4 terms, first 2 terms and next 2 terms. Here either in the first 2 or in the next 2 terms, it will be easy for us to take common. So here I'll take x common in the first 2. Here in this case, in the first 2 terms, it's easy to take common x. So x minus 2 root 2. The other one you can balance, like so you can write as it is x minus 2 root 2, and here you can take minus root 2 common. So because here minus root 2 x, minus into minus plus root 2 into root 2 2, root 2 into 2, 2 into 2 4, you'll get like that. So now here x minus 2 root 2, again if I'll take x minus 2 root 2 common, I'll be left with x minus root 2 equals 0. Now x minus 2 root 2 equals 0, x minus root 2 equals 0. So x equals 2 root 2, x equals root 2, x equals 2 root 2 and x equals root 2. Now here alpha is 2 root 2 and beta I'll take it as root 2. So these are alpha and beta values. But I need to find a polynomial whose zeros are alpha square and beta square. So alpha square. So alpha is 2 root 2 whole square. So 2 square is 4, root 2 whole square is 2. 4 into 2, 8. So alpha square value is 8. Now beta square. Beta is root 2 whole square. So beta square is 2. Beta square value is 2. So now to find a polynomial, the formula is k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So here alpha and beta are the new zeros, that is alpha square and beta square. So if I'll substitute the values here, k into x square minus alpha, new means alpha square, that is 8, beta square 2, x plus 8 into 2. So k into x square minus 10x plus 16, x square minus 10x plus 16. Therefore the polynomial whose zeros are alpha square and beta square is x square minus 10x plus 16 at k equals 1. So this is the required polynomial. X square minus 10x plus 16.